Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about attention. This is a topic that has been extensively studied by several psychologists, and over these years of research, we have a decent understanding about attention. Let's understand what attention is. We are constantly bombarded with a lot of stimuli. For example, now while you're watching this video, you are also being stimulated by the breeze of the fan, the warmth of the chair that you're sitting on, the ice cold floor that your feet are on, etc. All of these are the stimuli that you are being bombarded with right now. In spite of being bombarded with so many stimuli at this moment, your concentration is on the video. That's called attention. Attention is when you're concentrating on one stimuli that's relevant to you while excluding all the other stimuli in the environment that seem irrelevant at the moment. In this video, we'll be talking about the 4 main types of attention that we use in our daily life, namely selective attention, divided attention, sustained attention, and executive attention. Let's start with selective attention. In selective attention, we selectively choose the stimuli that we wish to pay attention to by toning down all the other stimuli. For example, while riding a bus, you focus on reading a book and are completely immersed in the book regardless of all the external stimuli around you. Next is divided attention. Here, we divide our attention and pay attention to 2 things at a time. For example, listening to songs on the radio while driving is divided attention. Divided attention is also known as multitasking. A demerit of multitasking is that one cannot pay complete attention to both the tasks, and hence retaining information that is performed while multitasking might be difficult. Think twice when you decide to study topics while listening to study music, as you may not be able to retain this information as you're splitting your attention while studying. Next is sustained attention. Sustained attention simply refers to paying attention to tasks that are at hand for a long period of time. This is commonly referred to as one's attention span. People get better at sustained attention with practice. An example of sustained attention is sitting to study for a prolonged period of time. Finally, we have the executive attention. Executive attention is our ability to control our responses in conflicting situations. Now, this definition is not sufficient to understand the function of executive attention. So please let me explain with an example. Let's say your daily routine is to play badminton after coming back from school. But the teacher has announced that she'll be quizzing you on topics that were covered during the previous semester. Hence, your executive attention decides to skip badminton, which was your regular daily routine, to spend time revising for tomorrow's quiz. In this situation, you're adapting to a new situation by breaking the monotony of your daily habits. This is called as executive attention. So these were the 4 types of attention that we use in our daily life. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the 4 types of attention. That's all we have for today. Thank you.